Still installing software or bringing a dedicated laptop for HVAC room debugging? Too much trouble. ECOA no software installation needed. Browser direct connection, ready in 2 minutes. RS485 bus wiring saves 40% cost. Strong anti-interference. Gauge plus web double check. Locate problems in 5 seconds. No arguments. Remote experts guide online. Save travel costs and improve efficiency. Sensing control execution closed loop. Optimization effect in 5 minutes. One person finishes HVAC room debugging in half a day. Consult now for discounts.